founded in 2007, is an international company focusing on the development, manufacturing, sales, and service of air-cooled engine and generator products. With the mission of Koop Tech, power the world, Koop continues to innovate and breakthrough power technology and sense solutions, providing the world with a high-energy, smart, clean, and inclusive power ecosystem. Today, Koop has become the world's leading excellent provider of small power engines and power machinery. Its subsidiaries such as Koop Power, Koop Agriculture, Xinpu Technology, and Chongqing Combus are advancing hand in hand, making continuous progress in diesel engine, gasoline engine, generator set, pump set, energy storage power supply, modern agricultural machinery, and other fields, and maintaining the market leader. We redefine services, create a pleasant experience for users, actively think about customer needs and solve problems, and have won the respect and affirmation of the global market. Today, Koop's products and services have spread to more than 100 countries and regions around the world. As a national-level professional special new small giant enterprise and a high-tech enterprise, Koop always adheres to innovation-oriented and is committed to promoting the progress of power technology so that the beauty of power beyond imagination. We have integrated the construction of a national-level enterprise technology center and testing center and continued to make breakthroughs in key technology fields such as clean power, intelligence, 5G networking, and electronic control, and built technology and innovation as the core driving force for cooperative development. Koop always insists on creating products with the goal of high standard and high quality. The leading quality of Koop Power relies on leading technology, equipment, quality system, of ingenious manufacturing in the past 20 years. At Koop, strict quality management run through the whole process of production. All staff participate in quality, total quality management, zero defect management. We require to the product to be meticulous, excellence, the sense of mission, responsibility, and values into the product manufacturing to create value for customers. Facing the future, Koop will continue to adhere to the product positioning of Power Plus, take innovation as the driving force, aim at customer satisfaction and move, take talents and partners as the foundation, open cooperation with global partners, build a global enterprise platform, and form a higher development trend of strategic leadership, brand leadership, product leadership, and management leadership supports Koop's high quality and sustainable development. Thank you for your attention to Koop, and join us in the great cause of power to improve life. Promise business with honesty, technology with words, and customers with happiness. Please always believe that beautiful things are going to happen.